6 inverter mistakes that will cost you money. So you've gotten your first inverter, it don't blow. You don't buy the second one, it don't blow. You don't buy the third one, it don't blow, and you want to buy another one. Listen to these 6 things that you have to avoid your inverter from blowing. You have to know the capacity of load which your inverter is built for. If your technician gives you an estimate of the load that your inverter can take, please stick to it. If you add extra load to your inverter, it will damage your system. If your battery is low, please reduce your load. Now think of your battery as a tired person. Don't make it run a marathon when it's already exhausted. Reduce your load to avoid your inverter from being damaged. Your inverter always talks to you on the display. It indicates whether your inverter is overheating, battery low. Please do not ignore these small signs. Listen to your inverter when it talks to you. Placing your inverter in the wrong place is a big threat to your inverter lifespan. Please do not place it close to liquid. Take good care of your inverter system, because placing it close to the water can cause damage, can even cause short circuit, and also cause rust to your inverter system. Take good care of your inverter system the way you take good care of your phone, because you cannot take your phone close to the water, or you cannot dip your phone inside the water. Installing your inverter in a stuffy area is like asking for trouble. This machine generates heat while working, and it requires enough airflow. Without the airflow, your inverter will overheat and shut down. So to avoid these issues, install your inverter in a well-ventilated area. So protective devices are very necessary to protect your inverter system. It's like a shield, shielding your inverter system from high voltage. If you successfully avoid all these mistakes, your inverter will last longer and you will save some money. For more solar maintenance tips, kindly subscribe for you not to miss any of our videos. Thank you.